Good morning, friends. Today is Tuesday and we're going to do the morning message. Our morning message today says, Good morning. Today is Terrific Tuesday. Are you ready? Today is Terrific Tuesday is the sentence. Today is the first word in this sentence, and we know that the T in today is uppercase. It is uppercase because why? You're right. If you said the T is uppercase because we always start a sentence with an uppercase letter, you are absolutely correct. Let's clap it out. We always start a sentence with an uppercase letter. So we always start a sentence with an uppercase letter, and so that's why the T on today is uppercase. We come over here and we see that the sentence ends with an exclamation mark. And that exclamation mark tells us what? You're right. That we are excited. We are excited that it is Tuesday. It's an exclamation mark, and exclamation marks tell us that we are excited. Are you ready? What kind of end punctuation mark is here? You're right, it is a question mark. And we use a question mark when? You're right, when we have a question. We're going to look at some of these and words, and we're going to figure out the missing letters. So that will be fun. So this is a den. A bear sleeps in a den when it hibernates in the winter. So a den is kind of like a bear's home. Usually it's in a cave or some rocks. So a den. Get your tapping fingers up. We're going to tap her out. D, e, n. D, e, n. One more time. D, e, n. Den. So we know the first tap is D. The second tap is D, e. What letter do you think goes there? If you said an E, you are correct. So we have D, E, N. D, E, N. N. You're right if you said N. So we have D, E, N. Tap it one more time. D, E, N. D, E, N. Den. So we have a D, an E, and an N. Now we have a vet. Everyone say vet. And then we're going to tap out vet. Get your tapping fingers up. V, et. One more time. V, et. Vet. So what letter goes here? What would be your first tap? Vet. If you said a V, you are absolutely correct. V, et. So V, e. What's the next tap that you hear? You hear the letter E. You're correct. V, et. And then what tap do you hear last? V, et. You hear a T. Good job. Vet. Then we have a hen. Everyone say hen. Tapping fingers up. H, e, n. H, e, n. Hen. What letter do you tap here first in hen? If you said an H, you are correct. Now we already know the middle tap is eh. So let's go h, e, n. What tap do you hear last? H, e, n. If you said an N, you are absolutely correct. We spell hen H-E-N. Great job tapping, friends. Hopefully it'll go to the next slide. It worked so well just a second ago. Stop it. Here we go. Oh, and we're not going to be able to play this game because we're not on our computer at school. So we'll skip this slide. Sorry about that, friends. This is so slow. Thank you for being patient. And this would be a fun game we can play in the classroom. But since we can't play right now, let's just go ahead and I'll point to each of the numbers and we'll count them as we point, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then let's count backwards. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great work, friends. I believe the next page is going to be a turn and talk. So the turn and talk today with your grown-up friend or sibling is, what are some things you do at bedtime? So what are some things you do at bedtime? If you said read a story with mom or dad, brush your teeth, say your prayers, get into bed, put on your pajamas. What are some other things that you may have said? Those are some of the things I could think of. Well, thank you so much for doing the morning message with me today. I loved having you here doing it with me, and I cannot wait till we can do it in person again soon. Bye bye, friends.